Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect forex.com to TradingView. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TradingView account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is, how can you create an account on TradingView? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for TradingView. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TradingView. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to connect forex.com to TradingView. Now, for you to know if forex.com is one of the recognized brokers in TradingView, you can head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, head over to brokers and check if you find forex.com. Now, I'd like you to know that you will see forex.com. So now let's learn how to connect forex.com to TradingViews. Now, for you to do that, you have to open up the chart of any market. So you can click on market here to search any market, or you can click on the search bar for you to search any market. Now I'm opening up this market, which is Tesla, and this is my chart. Now for me to connect forex.com to TradingView, from this chart, head over to the bottom corner of the screen where you have Stock Screener, Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. So set it to the Trading Panel tab, and it's going to open you up to all of these options. So from here, let's go ahead and search for forex.com. So search easy until you find forex. So this is forex.com. Now click on forex.com. It's going to take you to this window. So add your forex.com username and your password and click on connect. Now once you click on connect, that's just going to be it. So enter your username, enter your password, and connect. Now if you don't have an account yet, go ahead to forex.com official website and create an account there. Then enter your username and your password and connect. So that's how you'll be able to connect forex.com to TradingView. Now you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.